I'm going to explain to you the process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is when the plants make their own food. Okay, so I already draw the soil and the roots. The roots absorb the water and nutrients from the soil. Here's water. Water.
Dinistrungkal. Dinistrungkal.
What's the spelling nutrients? Is it this?
There's I between R and E. Let me see. Wow. Ah, there's T between N and S. Nutrient.
Nutrients. Okay. Go to the roots.
What is the specific part of the root that absorbs water and nutrients?
The root hair, of course.
Root hair. Why didn't you draw the root hairs?
The root hairs are like this. This is the roots. The root hairs are like this.
Hindi mo muna pa si Sarik tapos to study.
These are the root hairs.
You could have drawn the root hairs directly into this drawing of the root instead of a magnified drawing of the root tip. Okay, then. You can just omit this one.
Okay. Okay.
So you can have more space for later.
Okay. So it will go all over the body.
What?
Of
What will go? Anong over ko dyan? Through
the body of the plant.
Anong body ka plant, you know? Stem of the trunk. Stem sa mga ragmay nga plant.
So, it
Trunk
needs
sa
to
ragmay.
go to the leaves. It needs to go to the leaves
Ano mag-go
because
sa leaves?
water,
And?
nutrients.
Mhm.
Because the plant can't eat the water. They need to eat, they can only eat glucose. Okay, here's it. Okay, it will go to this tube, open. Okay,
What is this? What is this thing called?
it's the stomata.
Okay.
Okay, all the oxygen, all the air,
What?
I mean,
What kind of gas?
all the carbon dioxide will go here and then go out into the leaf. Okay.
Go out.
Go into the leaf
Inside.
inside. Okay. So from there, here's the cell of the leaf.
Mm-hmm.
From this cell, all of the
Water.
water all the water and carbon dioxides.
Dioxide lang, what is?
Dioxide.
Oops. Sa side mo nga ran, ma-apply dyan ang rule natin sa vowel consonant E.
Ay, pang carbon yun. on dioxide irang lidya
Vowel consonant E sa side mo.
dioxide ay
Ano nga vowel yun, diba?
dioxide no vowel
Ang rule natin nga vowel consonant E.
vowel
Sa side, ganito na sa side ng syllable. Dioxide ba? Sa side nga syllable. Ma-apply dyan ng vowel consonant E itong rule.
dioxide
Sa side, gani nga na dyan ka na ma-apply yung vowel consonant E itong rule.
okay
Yan ang spelling niya yung karabay dapat. Remember the vowel consonant E ng word wherein ang vowel will be long sound na and then sound kang consonant and then silent E. Sakto itong X mo para mo ha.
X
Ang vowel consonant E na lang ang isugpon mo kaya ito hindi magsaka. Side vowel consonant E ano ba yan da?
A, E, I, O, U.
Okay. Anong letter yung karapay yung batang mo?
A, E, I, O, U.
Vowel consonant E wherein ilang sound mo ang vowel and then ang sound kung consonant and then wala ng E silent.
Vowel consonant. Ano ba yung batang ko? Vowel.
Kaya ano how nga vowel ang
I?
ma-apply dyan karan nga ilong sound mo tana vowel consonant E.
I,
May I try mine.
diox, I,
Ano long sound ka ay? Anong sound ka ay?
I.
Da, I. Tapos
Dioxide.
ano ra? Kaya da ay.
Carbon.
Ano to na tsura ka di na nga? Kaya da ay. Naku na namian mo. Agi mo. Kanong hipi mo sulat nga. Hindi gyapon ka nami
Carbon
ka.
dioxide.
Ano pa?
K.
Taan tawapik kung vowel consonant ira.
Vowel consonant. K.
Ah, galing.
Carbon
Ganyan
dioxide.
yan.
They all go into the cell. From the cell, the chloroplast.
Ano rang chloroplast mo na no?
What do you mean?
Is chloroplast a part of a cell?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Part of the cell called chloroplast.
What happens there in the chloroplast?
Chloroplast, it will produce sunlight.
What? Chloroplast will produce sunlight?
No, produce.
Produce? Chloroplast will produce sunlight?
What will it do
Hmm?
to the sunlight?
What produces sunlight? Is it a chloroplast?
No, a leaf produces sunlight.
Leaf? It is the leaves that produces sunlight?
What produces the sunlight?
Think. Where does the sunlight came from?
The sun.
Then what produces sunlight? If the sunlight comes from the sun, then what produces it? Do you know the meaning of the word produce? What do you mean by produce?
And absorb the sunlight.
Be
It will
careful with your
absorb-
words.
Absorb the sunlight.
Oh wait, so what produces sunlight?
Leaf.
What?
What is produces? What?
Does the sunlight come from the leaf?
What produces the sunlight? The sun, of course.
Then why are you answering me that the leaves produce sunlight? Why are you answering
What
me that it
produces
is the
mean?
leaves that produce sunlight?
What does produce mean?
What does produce mean? What do you think? Can you translate produce in Kanaraya? Himo. Buhat. Nagahimo, nagabuhat, nagatugro.
Okay, I know it now.
Then, ano katugro ko? Sunlight? What produces sunlight?
The sun.
It is the sun. Not the leaves, not the chloroplast. Then what does the chloroplast do with sunlight?
They use it, then turn them into...
Does the chloroplast traps the sunlight? Or...
Yes, traps the sunlight.
Are you sure?
Yes.
And then, what happens next?
Okay, traps sunlight. They say the sunlight is trapped. Okay, so from there, all the water and carbon dioxide go into here, into the chloroplast. Okay, now with the help of sunlight, all the chloroplast in the water will turn
All the chloroplast in the water? What?
to glucose. All the No! All the water and carbon dioxide in the chloroplast turn to glucose and carbon dioxide and oxygen.
Nope. It's Y. Not I.
G
N.
Oxy N oxygen and glue.
What? It doesn't have D. It's not glucose. It's glucose.
Okay, glucose.
There's a one missing letter with here.
Glucose.
What does this line mean?
These get out of here.
What?
These two get out of there.
Why this line have arrow?
Because
Why this lines doesn't have?
Oh.
Why these lines don't have arrows?
Okay. Okay. Now from that, all the oxygen come out of the chloroplast. Okay, will come out the chloroplast and then come out the leaf. Like this.
What do you call that process wherein oxygen is being released?
Transport.
What?
Transport.
What?
Transport.
No,
Transport what?
it's not transport.
Transport what? Transpiration.
Oh yes, correct.
Okay.
The process. Okay, what is transpiration?
It's the process called when all the oxygen come out of the leaf.
Correct.
It's like this. This is the leaf.
What will happen to the glucose then? If oxygen will come out of the stomata,
Just
what
a
will
second.
happen
Just a
to the
second.
glucose?
Just a second. Oxygen. Okay. What will happen to glucose is the glucose from the leaf. All the glucose go all over.
What?
Will go all over the body of the plant, all over the body of the plant. Will go all over.
And then, what will the plant do with the glucose?
Eat it. That's their food.
Yes, now glucose molecule serves as food for the plant. Then what will happen to the plant if they eat the glucose? What will happen to the plant?
Just a second.
What will happen to the plant?
What will happen to the plant is it will grow.
Yes, the plant will grow if they eat the glucose molecules. But eat, wait, we only use the word eat to describe what the plant does with the glucose molecules, okay? But we use only that word so that you, kids like you, will better understand, okay? But the right term is, well, the plants use that glucose molecules as their food for them to grow.
Okay, Mama. Diretso ko paano? May ba? May kuya tanaw.
I think I might have a question. What is the process? What do you call that whole process?
Photosynthesis.
Yes, photosynthesis. On what part of the plant does photosynthesis happens?
What do you mean?
Part of a plant. I'm only asking for the part of a plant wherein photosynthesis happens. It is in the leaves. And what specific part of the leaves or a component of the leaf does photosynthesis happens? What is in the leaves?
Chloroplast.
Nope, chloroplast is inside the cell.
Cell.
So what is inside the leaves, or what compose the leaves that allows photosynthesis to happen? Munang ay. What component
know.
of the leaf allows photosynthesis to happen?
This.
Nope. What compose the leaves?
This?
What compose the leaves?
Or this. I don't know.
What do you think? Anong meron sa leaves? Anong meron sa leaves? Kung sa diin ginahimo or yan, kung di nagkatabo ang photosynthesis. Sa ano ka leaves ra? Sa stomata ra ka leaves? Sa guard cells ka stomata? Sa petiole? Diin nga specific part or specific component yan ka leaf? Nagkatabo ang photosynthesis? Dali ay, answer na ay. Ano ka na naman? Ay, sus. Then, ka leaves. Ano? Sa diin ka leaves.
Where? I don't know.
Ano ang building blocks ka leaf? Ano gid ang pinaka-smallest ang component ka leaf?
Yeah.
Nope.
Anong pinaka-smallest?
Yeah, tanang chloroplast niya mo yung specific site ka photosynthesis inside the cell of a
Ang
plant.
flat.
Dali. Ano ra ang flat nga? Ano ra nga flat nga no?
Ang sa...
Yeah, ang chloroplast, amo niya ang specific site ka photosynthesis inside the cell of a plant. So what I am asking is that, what component of the leaf allows photosynthesis to happen? What is that?
This part? This?
What part is that?
I don't know. I just remember it. But I don't know the name.
I don't know the name. Then what can you find inside these?
Nothing.
Why nothing?
There's also something right here.
What are those?
No?
Oh, sure. Din tanahalin niya drawing mo nga anong yung rectangle. Nandot may drawing ka rectangle, yun di mo ragnalin.
Ito, ang cell.
Ano yung rectangle niya?
Ang cell na.
Ang cell, di din makita ang cell nga lang.
Diyan sa upper part, the leaves.
I will repeat my question. What component of the leaf allows photosynthesis to happen?
I don't know the name, but I know the picture.
I am already giving you clues. I asked you where you can find this one and what is the name of this
What
one.
is the spelling?
Why do you need the spelling? I'm only asking the component of the leaf. Why can't you say it? You can just say it. As simple as that.
I don't know. I
What?
can say it, but I don't know the name.
What is this again? Why don't know the name? You already told me the name. What?
I don't know. I don't know.
Ano yung hao? Bibalik lang. Man, mahirap mo naman kausap. Ano yung tawag dyan kaya hao?
Cell.
Hindi mo makita ang cell nga. Hindi mo makita ang cell.
Cha. Saan mo tuwag ka na?
Ano tawag kang?
Yeah. Ay, dyan kita cell. Stalo mo kayaw.
Hindi mo makita ang chloroplast. Chloroplast may site ka photosynthesis.
Just cell.
Sa cell mo makita ang chloroplast. Hindi mo makita ang cell. Dali, hindi mo makita ang cell. Sa stem, hindi mo makita ang cell nga riyan kung diin ginabuhat ang photosynthesis. Di ba sa sulod ya ka cell? So ibig sabihin kung diin ang matibla na kung diin ang cell nga to, kung diin nga part ka plant ang cell nga to nga may contain nga ayon chloroplast, ibig sabihin didto kato ginahimo ang photosynthesis.
Diyan sa flat.
Flat niya. Isos. Dali ay 22 minutes yung kita.
Diyan sa flat niya, no?
Flat niya no.
Nag-connect na sa stem.
Kita pa budlay mo pa mo. Adin niya ha makita gani di ba ya makita mo dya sa cell. Chloroplast makita mo sa cell din mo makita ang cell niya na may contain nga chloroplast.
I don't know ganun
Di mo makita nga part ka plant ang cell nga raan kung sa diin makita ang chloroplast. Ang cell nga may chloroplast ya bay. Din mo makita ang yang nga type ka cell nga nagahimo kang food ka plant. Din mo makita nga part ka plant lang sa stem, sa root, sa leaf, sa fruit, sa diin, sa trunk,
sa leaf.
sa leaf. Oh, so ang part ka plant nga nagahimo ka photosynthesis sa leaf. Ano nga part ka leaf or ano nga component ka leaf ang naga-allow para nga magbuhat kang food ang plant? Diin. Bagkat yan, nagdiretso tayo mo dyan kaya part na naka-cell ya bay? Part ka cell nga ginahimuan ka photosynthesis. Ngayon ang ginamangkot ko, ano nga component to ay ka leaf ang nag-allow sa photosynthesis to happen?
Ang cell?
Cell! Easy as that. Why nga bay buhay gid kita ka-derive the dyan parian sa answer nga raan. Simple as that. Cell. Di ba makita mo din sa leaves ka plant? Cell nga dya, tapos dya inside the cell may chloroplast. Dya sa chloroplast nagatabo ang photosynthesis. Discard ko lang ganyan kang question eh. Discard ko lang may question ko. Now, listen. You got the right answer, but I still have questions. Okay?
Oh no.
Uno ko dyan. Oh, so ang cell nga dya is component na naka-leaf kung diin nagatabo ang photosynthesis. Now, my next question is, where is the specific part of photosynthesis inside the cell? Or, what organelle or part of a cell makes the food of plants? Or, pagid. Did you understand my question? Andat nga drawing, Timo John? What specific site inside the plant cell does photosynthesis happens?
Yes.
What?
Chloroplast.
I cannot hear
The
you.
chloroplast.
Can you face me?
Chloroplast.
Can you look at the camera?
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast, yes. It is the chloroplast that is the site of photosynthesis. Yuck. Mark. Intindihan mo ng photosynthesis in molecular level? Ay. Intindihan mo ran?
Okay.
Okay. Naog dyan.
Okay.
Now, I still have questions. Amo pera, if you're presenting, you will be asked questions. It is to check if you really understand what you are presenting. So, listen carefully. If oxygen is being released, dali, during the process of photosynthesis, oxygen is being released during the process of photosynthesis, right? The process of transpiration, right? Right? Then what happens next to that oxygen? What is the next pathway or ano nga process pagid ang matabo after ma-release ang oxygen sa plant, sa leaf? Who will use that oxygen? What will happen to that oxygen?
You breathe it.
What?
You breathe.
Who will breathe?
You.
Only me?
Everybody.
Everybody who?
Everybody who? Everybody.
Who's everybody?
Everyone in the world.
Everyone like
Every people. Everyone in the world.
the humans. And only the humans?
Animals.
Animals too?
Hmm.
Why do humans and animals use oxygen? Why do they need oxygen? Why do we need oxygen?
So we.
Dali ay, tintag ay naman ka na nga.
So what?
Why do we need oxygen?
Oxygen for
Tubang dyan, nag-present ba ikaw? Anong tanang nga practice eh?
Oxygen for our lungs.
Wala na hindi magsaka.
Oxygen for our lungs to breathe. We will
What
die
will
if
happen
there's
if there is no oxygen? What will happen if there
We
is no
will die.
oxygen? We will die, will we? Really? Will we die? Yes, we will die without oxygen eventually. Okay, now what is the importance of plants?
They give oxygen for us to breathe.
Yes, they give oxygen. And what else? Yikes. They give oxygen. What else? What else do plants give?
Food.
Yes, food. We eat plants. What else?
More plants.
Huh?
More plants.
Why?
They
How
give
so?
seed.
Wow, they
Seed.
give seeds. So they can reproduce. What else?
What else?
How about you look outside? It is sunny. You look outside. What do plants give? What do plants
They
give?
give shade.
Yes, a shade. What else? You look at Tatay's kamalig.
They give shelter.
Shelter, yes.
They help make clothes.
Yes, clothes.
They make candies.
What? Why candies?
Other trees have something that you can turn it into chewing gums.
What? What's that for? What else? Paper.
Paper.
Decoration.
Decoration.
Decorations like gardens. Importance na aesthetic, to beautify their surroundings. Okay, now we're done with plants. Let's say goodbye to your followers.
Goodbye, friends. See you soon.